I'm going to show you a great tool called Copyscape, which is the way that you can see if anyone's copying the content off your website. Now, being associated with Kochie's Business Builders, we do get people who copy our content from time to time. It's annoying as hell, it really is. You go into Copyscape, you type your web address in there, we'll put in there, hit go, and it's going to look and see if there's any websites out there that are copying any of the words. And here we go, we found one. Now this might have copied content from us, or it might just happen to have a few sentences that are very similar. They're very good at detecting that. It's going to come up and we're going to say, what content have we found that matches, and look for the red. Here it is here. So this content, which says we put together a team with purpose, passion and a proven track record. Yep, that's exactly the same as what Mr. K was quoted as, and we've got this on our website here. I put together a team with purpose, passion and a proven track record. So that has been copied word for word. And it's not just this other part here, proven track record, delivering impressive outcomes, and it's exactly the same. So they've copied that word for word from our site. They'll get a letter from us saying, you better take that down, or whatever the consequences. It's really worth doing. Copyscape, you just type in your own web address and it will go and find it for you. Copyscape, have a go at it right now.